Hi, I'm Coach Keith Mondillo, and if you're here, chances are your family is in the middle of the recruiting maze. Maybe you're not sure where to start. Maybe your athlete has talent but hasn't gotten noticed. Or maybe just like so many parents I've worked with, you're just worried time is running out. You're not alone. And more importantly, you're not too late. I've spent over 30 years coaching and recruiting at the college level, and I've seen how overwhelming this process can be for families. But I've also seen the transformation that happens when a family gets a real plan, when a parent understands their role, when an athlete knows what to say to coaches, and when you stop guessing and start leading. This is about taking back control. This is about turning anxiety into action. This is about having a coach in your corner, even if you've never had one before. That's exactly why I created the Recruiting Jumpstart Bundle. It's the full system I've built from years of experience in recruiting, and for Memorial Day weekend, I've packaged it all together for just $97. It all starts with the athletic recruiting roadmap, the foundation. This is the big picture, how recruiting actually works, when to take action, what coaches are really looking for. It gives you the clarity and confidence you've been missing. Next is a recruiting workbook. This turns that clarity into a working plan. You'll build your school list, track communication, prep for visits, and set real timelines. This isn't passive reading, it's a strategic planning tool. Then we give your athlete a voice with the email playbook. Inside are 39 proven templates I've personally reviewed. They're direct, they're professional, and they're exactly what college coaches want to see. No more guessing what to say. The Q&A playbook helps your athlete and family ask the right questions on visits and calls, so you avoid awkward moments and spot red flags early. These are the questions coaches notice, the ones smart recruits ask. And finally, the Parents Recruiting Survival Guide. This is what I wish every parent had before their first call, visit, or showcase. You'll learn how to lead without micromanaging, how to support without stepping on your athlete's independence. It's a mind shift, and it changes everything. Look, I know what it feels like to care deeply and still feel lost. This bundle is your way forward. It's a roadmap, a voice, a guide, and a coaching system all in one. And for this Memorial Day only, you can get all 5 resources for just $97. It's over $195 worth of tools and years of experience packed into one simple plan. You spend more money going to an AAU or club event on a weekend just to see your son or daughter participate. If your family's ready to go from confused to confident, you're ready for this bundle. Click below to get started, and let's take the first chapter together. Good luck, and I hope to see you on the inside. Take care.